Here's Thompson Reservoir. We gotta walk because we want to run table saw. You want to go or you want me?
I'll go after you so that you can get any Carnage.
Yeah, that's always a good call.
Look, whoa, he just drops out of nowhere.
Oh. Hey, here you go, in case I get hurt.
What?
Whoa! Whoa! That's slippery. Come on. There you go. Easy. I saw that it was going to go poorly, but I also had to pay attention to me. Yeah. Is that your first real recirculation?
That was my first recirculation.
Freaky.
I knew I was. I hit the rocks at the beginning, and that's what turned me to where you don't want to go.
All's well that ends well, right?
Right? Thank you, everybody.
And you're so much more comfortable than we are with that cool down. You guys.
I just got a super cool down and an adrenaline jump at the same time.
Yeah. I can even feel a little bit of residue of adrenaline on my part, so I can only imagine what you're feeling. Oh! Alright. Is he swimming out? Follow his boat down? You can keep my boat in here, maybe? Yeah, Karen, I didn't expect that.
Dude, what am I doing? Oh my god.
We have a paddle on.
Yeah. Forgot how to paddle.
Yeah. Maybe you're a little shook.
I don't know what's going on.
It's fine. You'll be fine.
Yeah, I know.
Curran didn't stop here. He got his confidence back, conquered the rest of the river, and had a great day. So hit subscribe and stick around for part 2.